Hey, hi everyone. Today I'm going to share. In previous video, I have shown you like how we can use NG2 PDF viewer with our Angular application. Here today I'm going to share the details like how we can create a custom toolbar over our PDF viewer. When we don't have any PDF viewer, then how we can use a custom toolbar and how we can navigate with that toolbar to our Angular PDF viewer or PDF file. So if I'm going to here, I created this custom toolbar with the help of Angular material site bar module, and if I'm clicking over this limits, then I can find limit in my PDF file. So how we can create this the search and highlight functionality with our custom toolbar or custom table of content. So that let's begin. See, this is our Angular application. Here I have this div for my PDF viewer that I already shown in my previous video. Now I have taken this in another div, and I have used that Angular material. So for that, first I imported my Angular material with the latest version in my application, and then I introduced that in my root module. So this is here I'm using this met site nav module. This is a part of Angular material. So see, I have imported it from at Angular material site nav. So this is I have imported, so that way I'm using. So now going back to my HTML file, in HTML file I have used this met site, that is a side nav part. So this is we represent it the met drawer container. Inside this there is a met drawer, and this drawer represents just a open close, so we have to control it by doing some click functions. So here I have this is a auto size, because according to the content it will adjust its width and height. And next I have for this custom, so this is side nav will be the part, this side nav is basically nothing but this side nav. Here I have to show this content. So for this content I have created in my ts file, there is a side nav list. So this is a just a hard coded object array I have created, it having multiple ids and multiple name. So that I am binding, so the side nav list I'm binding in my html file, and with this side nav list I'm just looping it and just binding it uh, in the list. So see, here you can see in my application there's a list, you can easily show. Next we'll move to how we can, if I'm going to, and this is when I'm clicking over the PDF file or PDF div, that time this div should be going, this div should be closed. So as I'm clicking over this will be closed. So for this I'm using this div draw.toggle method. And here now I'm just moving next, when I'm clicking over this search highlight, here I created this method search highlight. Here I'm passing this L, which having all the objects inside this click method. Now I'm going to write, and one more thing I have to tell you, like we have to use this search highlight term. So there is something else I have to show you, that is here basically I'm going to here. So for this PDF for search and highlight, there is a inbuilt method for this ng2 PDF viewer. So that I have imported in the component itself first, then met site nav for the site nav container I have imported, and then I'm going to use this view child for drawer and for PDF viewer for both. So one, this met site nav is used for basically we creating that drawer, that is we are controlling from open and close, and And so this drawer is basically we are defining, and here we have to use this term drawer as with the hash. So it is basically nothing but it is linking with that file, linking with that view child and with the functionality. And here I have to use this PDF viewer component. So this PDF viewer I have to use here. So I'm going to use this with the hash. Yeah, I'm going to save it. And next is I have done nothing. I'm increasing this height and sorry, its width I'm increasing. And next I have just created a method. This is a very important thing. So here first we have to do the for highlight, we have to do this with view child and PDF component, and for the linking we are using PDF viewer. Here we have created this method search highlight. So here I'm just doing console like what I'm getting in the item. So item I'm having the objects, so that I have just created a empty that is any of value I can store. So here I'm just binding here item dot name, because the name is having these all list. I have that table of content, and then I'm taking this active element that I'll show you later, and this is the method you can see in the ng to PDF viewer. If you want to highlight or search anything, then in PDF viewer we have this term is already mentioned. So I'm using this in my PDF and this ng to PDF. And so here what I'm doing, what when I'm finding this item name, so this is string to search, I'm passing here in the query, and phrase search I'm doing true. When I'm searching this any string, then this phrase will be true, and it should also highlight. And this find previous I'm doing undefined. Case sensitive should be false. When I'm finding with a small or capital, doesn't matter, it will find out. And here after searching this thing, my drawer should automatically close. So that way I'm doing this dot drawer dot close thing. So this is the method where I'm writing for search, where I'm creating this custom table of content, where I'm creating a list of the items. This is a table of content. I have this PDF content in this table, and with this table list I'm able to search the letter, search the content, search the word in line, anything which you want to search. And here see, I can search here, I can highlight it here. If I'm going to search this, then this is also changing the page and highlighting the terms. So thank you very much for watching this video.